Hi, we want to show how our Versa MaxiColor can be paired and switched with two remote controls. At first we only need one remote control and put the other aside. Put the receiver to pairing mode by pressing the proc button 4 times. The receiver is now in pairing mode for 180 seconds. Keep the remote control no more than 10 cm away from the receiver. On the first remote control, we briefly press buttons 1 and 2 3 times together. In the next step, we press buttons 1 and 2 for 3 seconds together. The indicator LED quickly flashes and the Versa strip lights up if the pairing was successful. Now we connect the second remote control to the receiver and carry out the same steps as for the first remote control. Press again buttons 1 and 2 3 times together. The indicator LED flashes. And we press buttons 1 and 2 for 3 seconds together. The indicator LED quickly flashes and the Versa strip lights up if the pairing was successful. The Versa strip can now be switched with both remote controls. With the memory buttons, we can save different color scenes on the remote control. Select one of the memory buttons and press it for 2 seconds. We save a different color on the other remote control. In this case too, press one of the memory buttons. The remote controls form a network with the receiver and mesh with each other. This means that the saved colors can be switched with both remote controls after a short time. If the devices were previously paired with other devices, they should be reset. To do this, press buttons 1 and 2 3 times together. The indicator LED lights up 3 times. To reset the receiver, press button proc 5 times. The Versa strip flashes several times if the reset was successful.